You've probably heard of escape room and panic room games, and if you've ever been in one, you'd know that despite being fun and thrilling, it really makes you use your brain and be creative and calculating in a limited period of time. Well, in today's video, we're going to take a look at an adorable AI called Albert, who learns to escape a series of rooms using deep reinforcement learning, a technique that combines two powerful concepts called deep learning and reinforcement learning to teach a computer program to think and make choices just like we do. Reinforcement learning is one of many ways in which developers train machine learning systems. It empowers an agent like a feature in a video game or a robot in an industrial setting to learn to navigate the complexities of its environment based on a feedback system that includes rewards and punishments. The creator of the cute orange box-shaped AI called Albert wanted to make it learn how to escape rooms and uploaded the experiment on his YouTube channel, AI Warehouse. Little Albert's artificial brain was made using Unity and ML agents, and his neural network consists of 5 layers that helped him receive inputs, perform calculations to convert these inputs into actions, and direct the actions he should take. Albert is an artificial intelligence that learns. He can move, turn, and jump, but the catch is that his escape is timed, and that's what ups the stakes. He has 10 seconds to escape the first room. Albert tries to figure out what he's supposed to do, but maybe it's too much for his brain to handle. He learns about his rewards and punishments, and that gets the cube rolling. He first figures out how to open the door. Yay! After several attempts, Albert makes it to the second room where he needs to learn how to activate 2 pressure plates and jump over a wall to escape. Multiple attempts later, Albert sails smoothly into room 3. This room has a pressure plate on top of a platform, and Albert does a great job here. Things get tougher in room 4. Albert has to jump over 2 platforms of different heights, hit 3 pressure plates, and exit the room in 15 seconds. Albert tries and practices, but he keeps messing up his time and technique. He finally makes it to the final room. Go, Albert! But this room is the most challenging. This time, he has to combine everything he's learned so far to win. Aw, poor Albert. He makes it, but then jumps off a cliff. Well, we can't blame him. Poor guy, he must have been worn out by those obstacle courses. Well, now we know, thanks to Albert. Rest in peace. Who showed us how AI can adapt, overcome challenges, navigate difficult obstacles, and strategize like a true escape artist. But this also makes me wonder if AI can surpass human physical abilities this way someday. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to keep watching this channel to find out more cool and mind-bending AI news. Bye!